Hey there gamers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to take a look at the best gaming keyboards for 2023. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. The best gaming keyboard does more than produce satisfying clickety-clacks. The right keyboard can supercharge your fingertips as you type out your next great tweet, or that sassy email to your colleague that probably should have stayed in drafts. What makes the best gaming keyboard special is its response, features, and price. 1. Hyperx Alloy Origins. The Hyperx Alloy. Origin's compact and quality build makes it the best gaming keyboard for mainstream gamers who just want to get down to gaming. It's comfortable, with a premium look and feel from its keys to its frame and vibrant RGB lighting. If you're familiar with linear switches, which are quick but offer little feedback, you'll feel right at home with this keyboard's red switches. For over $100, you can find gaming keyboards with more luxuries, such as media control buttons, a USB pass-through port for easily plugging in another accessory like your best gaming mouse, and more advanced software. But what the Alloy Origins does offer, it executes excellently. 2. Razer Blackwidow V4 Pro. The Razer Blackwidow V4 Pro is the ultimate full-size, feature-packed, customizable gaming keyboard to outfit your battle station. It's got everything you could need or want. 8 dedicated macro keys, a programmable multifunction Razer command dial, 4 dedicated media keys and a volume roller, and a plush, padded, detachable wrist rest that lights up when you connect it to the keyboard. The Blackwidow V4 Pro is a wired keyboard that comes with Razer Green, clicky, or Razer Yellow, linear, mechanical switches. It features an aluminum alloy top plate, double-shot ABS keycaps, and has bright per-key RGB as well as underglow with a total of 38 zones when the wrist rest is connected. But the typing experience is decent. The Razer Green switches are tactile, clicky, and loud, and the case has 2 layers of dampening foam. The main downside to this keyboard is its size. It will take up a large portion of your desk, especially if you use it with the detachable wrist rest. At $230, it's also pretty pricey. Those extra buttons and dials are only worth it if you actually end up using them. 3. Patriot Memory Viper. Vive 765 Patriot Memory is better known for its RAM and storage than its peripherals, but the Viper Vive 765 provides a key feel that's second to none, in an attractive, affordable package. It's been a while, but the Patriot Viper V 765 is still a good budget option with plenty of functionality. It's one of the rare keyboards to come with Kale box white switches, which actuate faster than regular blue or green switches thanks to their slightly reduced travel, 3.6 mm versus 4 mm. The keys are the most responsive we've tested and make one of the most pleasant click sounds you'll find anywhere. If Kale box white switches aren't enough to convince you the Viper V 765 is worth buying, it's got plenty more going for it. This full-sized keyboard has an aluminum surface with tapered edges that give it a futuristic look. The vibrant RGB keys offer dozens of different light combinations, and you don't even need to install the software to access most of the RGB effects. The keyboard also features media keys, which are more often seen on pricier boards, as well as IP56 water and dust resistance. The Viper V 765 currently sells for $90, cheaper than most competitors with similar features. We wish it had taller flip-out feet and a slightly better app, but the V 765 is still our favorite budget-friendly gaming keyboard. 4. Roccat Vulcan II Max. The Roccat Vulcan II Max is designed to dazzle you. This full-size wired keyboard not only features bright per-key RGB lighting, which is on maximum display thanks to the keyboard's flat, shallow keycaps. 24 of its switches also have dual LEDs. The Vulcan II Max comes with a detachable silicone wrist rest that serves as a conduit for the keyboard's lighting. It's beautiful, and features dedicated media keys and a clickable volume knob. This is an attractive, unique-looking keyboard even without lighting. It has a slim, lightweight chassis with an aluminum alloy top plate and flat, chiclety keycaps that leave the switches entirely exposed. The keyboard has 24 pre-programmed multifunction smart dual LED keys which light up to indicate secondary keybinds and can also change colors to display real-time info, such as headset or mouse battery life. The keyboard features Roccat's IMO lighting experience, which is an intelligent lighting system that interacts with and reacts to the user, and adapts over time. It's definitely a dazzling alternative to the typical spectrum cycling, and it's even more dazzling when paired with the Vulcan II Max's translucent wrist rest. 5. Razer Blackwidow V3 Pro. If you want the same experience as your typical full-sized mechanical gaming keyboard, but without wires, the Razer Blackwidow V3 Pro is the best wireless gaming keyboard we've tested. While many wireless keyboards are built for traveling, the Blackwidow V3 Pro maintains all the size, bulk, and functionality of a full-sized mechanical keyboard, including a premium tactile volume dial, media keys, an aluminum top plate, and double-shot ABS plastic keycaps. Razer doesn't skimp on the Blackwidow V3 Pro. It's packed with up to 4 profiles of onboard memory and vibrant per-key RGB lighting. However, RGB doesn't stick to profiles. Advanced RGB fanatics will have to rely on software for pairing RGB, including custom effects, to profiles. And there you have it, our top picks for the best gaming keyboards of 2023. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.